Hey there, Susan Vincentz back with you again for another tech tip. And I'm excited to have been bringing you the last few weeks some organizational tips to use in your Google Drive as you clean things out after a school year to get ready to begin a new one, or just any time that you are trying to keep yourself organized. So today we're going to look at some documents in our Google Drive and how to preview them without even opening them. So say somebody shares something with you in your shared with me filter area, or you just have this document that has been in your drive for a long time, and as you're cleaning things out, you don't know what in the world that is. Well, without having to double click on it, wait for it to load, and then open and check and see what it is, I have a keyboard shortcut and a quick click with the mouse that you can toggle back and forth to be able to preview that document to see what in the world it is. So here I am in my folder, and I have some documents here of some choice boards. So I've clicked on this choice board, not double click, just clicked, and it turns it, kind of highlights it in blue there. And then if you notice up here in your right hand corner, you have this icon that looks like an eyeball. If you click on that eyeball, it will preview that document for you. It won't let you do anything to it. It won't let you edit it. It will give you a choice now where you can open it with certain things. So if I want to open that in Google Docs or with Cami or what other apps I may have added to my choices. But I can open that from here. But if I just need to see what it is and not do anything to it, and if I need to keep it or get rid of it or move it somewhere else, I have that preview button. So what I did there was I clicked on the file, clicked on this eyeball icon, it's a preview icon, and I get that preview. Now there's a handy dandy keyboard shortcut that you can also use to accomplish the same thing. So again, I've clicked on it, it's highlighted in blue, and I can click the letter P on my keyboard, and notice the eyeball lights up, and then it will let me be able to preview that document just by clicking the letter P on my keyboard. So make sure you have clicked on the file in the folder there, press the letter P on your keyboard, and it will accomplish the same thing as clicking on the eyeball icon up in the right hand corner. So that is how you preview a document to see if it's something that you need to hold on to. So join me for this and other tech tips on my YouTube channel at Susan Vincentz or on my website at techimaginations.net. See you soon.